Once you know how to make a miniature patio, you can make any kind of miniature patio. The mini patio mix is our own recipe that works with tile, marble, stone, pebbles, mini bricks, and more. It's fast and fun. Let's go. The tools and supply list is in the notes below this video. You'll need a mini garden, patio material, and your mini patio mix from twogreenthumbs.com. Scissors and a spray mister. A spoon is handy. Let's begin. Make sure the soil in the patio area is dry. Press the soil down gently and flatten it out. Unfurl the garden border, it comes with the kit. Measure the border to fit the size of the pot carefully. Cut the border to fit. Use the skewers to hold any curved shape in place while you measure. Cut the skewers in half and then pin the border against the garden bed ledge with the skewers. This will hold it in place. The depth of the patio area should be about 1 inch deep and dry. Now, using the fine sand that comes with the kit, pour a 1/4 inch layer of the sand in the patio area. Now pour a 1/2 inch layer of the mini patio mix into the patio area on top of the sand and push the mini patio mix into the corners and sides gently. Now you're ready to add the patio stones. This part is a bit finicky, but it's worth it. Measure against the patio area for sizing. Test fit, cut, snip, peel off stones to fit in the edges until you're happy with the design and the pattern. The beauty of our mini patio mix kit is it goes together dry, so you do have time to get mosaic-y with your design and make it just how you want it. Work through the area and fill in the gaps with smaller stones or the side of a stone if you have a smaller spot to fill in. The stones should be all at the same level. Pat the stones down so they're all at the same level. Now add some more mini patio mix and sweep it in between the stones and into the corners and edges gently. Brush off the excess patio mix with your hand. If you use a dry brush, it'll take too much material away from the patio and it'll make a lumpy surface and your miniatures will not sit straight. Clean up your area while it's dry because we're going to be introducing some water, and get your mister on the mist setting. Mist your patio from side to side, but stop just as the water starts to pool up on the surface. Try not to touch the patio at this point because you'll wreck the texture. In about an hour or so, when the patio is dry, you can sweep off the sand. Now congratulations, you just built a miniature patio. Finalize the design with some accessories, and note that it's the accessories that dictate the scale of the miniature garden, not the plants. This video is sponsored by twogreenthumbs.com. We make miniature gardens come true since 2001.
It's the Miniature Garden Society
with Janet Calvo.